Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert any image in Photoshop. So let's begin. Create new document, create. There are multiple ways to insert the image in the Photoshop stage. I'll show all of them. First, go to the file menu, click open. Now you will see the option to browse the image. For example, I have a college folder and click the guy photo and open. Guy opens up. You can open the image or you can insert the image from keyboard shortcut Ctrl O and double click on the image so that the image is inserted. You can insert the image into the existing image document. Insert by placing option, go to the file menu and place embedded. I'm clicking this one and this image is placed into the girl's image. And we can insert the image by drag and dropping method. Like in this folder we have images. We simply can select all the images or single image. I'm selecting all the 4 images and drag all of them and drop into the Photoshop window. And you see all the images are inserted. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.